chicken and fish, but every now and then I want a burger, so I go to McDonald's. Can't even afford. It's a bad economy we living in. Something is wrong when the administration we living in is failing us economically wise. We go to McDonald's and can't even afford the dollar menu because there is no such thing on the dollar menu. Everything is $3 and $4. No such thing. Nothing is a dollar. I'm asking the man, sir, how much is this hamburger? He talking about $3 and some change. I'm like, so it ain't $2. At least it's some change. He like, nah, it's $3 and some change. I'm like, well, where the dollar? What the dollar items? There ain't no dollar items because Kamala Harris and Biden has brought up the prices for everything. We need Trump back in office to save McDonald's dollar menu because it don't exist no more with Kamala Harris and Biden. Everything on the dollar menu is at least $3 and $4. I eat healthy 99% of the time.